Breaking news. Kano Assembly gives Ganduje 48 hours ultimatum. And I don't hear of the saga where they go on so. When Ganduje's son reports the mama, eh? They give him 48 hours ultimatum to sack the revenue board chairman because he and Ganduje they work hand in hand. So Ganduje's son don't report the mama give EFCC say the fraud where they go on for a family too much. Say the money mama they collect, only God go fit help Nigeria survive. He says so make dem hold him mama. In case you never see that news, I beg go on Apple Line Media. Okay, may you see the news for yourself. Now, when the matter they break out, so nobody fit they go call the Isaba, but make they come cut the woman hand. Oh. Because if na poor man, they go carry the hand. Everybody go jump. Ochobe, make we go cut the hand. Follow the how do they call am Sharia law. You know, say that law now only for the poor people. Now poor people they suffer am. The rich people, nothing they happen to them. Or the poor people now they die put to. The rich people they fine. Nothing happen to them. Then they get they very well. They are very very they are very very fine. You know. So now so the matter they happen. So anyway, Ganduje, the dollar man, the House of Assembly don't rise up. Say man, say you get to tell us which side you stand. You and this pawn they connive, they chop all the money we belong to the state, Nigeria in total. Then they say make south, they collect money, they can't give north. You see how it be so. Then some people go dey squander the money. Now so it just be monkey they work, babu they chop. Please don't forget to give us a thumbs up, like us, share, subscribe. Let's get all the details. Thank you. Breaking news. Kano Assembly give Ganduje 48 hours ultimatum to sack Revenue Board chairman. The Kano State House of Assembly has given Ganduje 48 hours to remove the chairman of the state's Revenue Board, Abdurrahman, for violating the constitutional provision of the nation and disrespect to legislative chambers. The chairman was said to have refused to disclose to the House the position of the state revenue collection, despite a series of requests by the legislation. So then they disclose the amounts. And that's what they like, now that they disclose, now that they put out there. But at the same time, wrote and submitted the report to the government through permanent secretary and the Borough of Land. Remember, I say Ganduje wife too. Now the land matter they bring the whole saga. Similarly, the House through the Speaker, Engineer Hassan, frowned at the nonchalant attitude of the chairman, who was summoned but lied to them and refused to come. The revenue chairman was also said to have connived with the government without the notice of the House to ultimately reduce grant tenancy rates at the Independent Petroleum Manufacturer Association of Nigeria from 250 to 100, which the House described as a total violation of the nation's constitution. You see what they are doing? Something is 250. They write down 100. 150 is theirs. You don't understand this Ganduje. The guy, eh? Have you heard of crook? Yes, very big one. Let's continue. In their separate remarks on the floor of the House, the legislative chambers were furious with what they describe as the non-performance of the chairman in revenue collection, as well as the lack of knowledge of what the revenue is. They said the House has agreed to set up an 8-man committee that will investigate why Kanu fails and falls from second position in revenue collection after Lagos to 10th position. Where is the money? The chairman, who was visibly sharing and shying away from the House, could not provide enough reasons why he bypassed the issue on the House and the revenue collection in the state, including the reduction of grant tenancy rates. The 8-man committee on investigation faulting the revenue collection in the state and illegal actions of the chairman, headed by the House financial chairman. So this is what is happening. They said before, Ganduje state now they collect second after, say for instance in June, they say Lagos state collect 45.7 billion. They say after that's supposed to be Ganduje state, which is Kano state. But Kano state declares only 2.8. So where the other 30 point something, or maybe we say, okay, there be second to Lagos, okay? So if Lagos collect 47, more give the benefit of that, so they collect 40. So where the other 38 point something, you dey see wetin dey happen so. So now the house itself, now they expose and say something dey more to this. Maybe they tell us wetin dey happen. Everybody need to tell us wetin dey happen. Don't give Ganduje ultimatum, but say make it tell everybody the truth. The lie not too much. You know, Ganduje Pikin said, don't say report the mama say the way that they thief the country, so very soon nothing will remain, oh, nothing will remain. Your own mama and all of them. You not even mind saying I'm mother, you expose everybody. Say well, say me they cash them. Say because all of them they be thief. You dey hear the matter, so say because all of them they be thief. That's why the matter just the be you not pass so. That's why just the be so. Everybody now they cry out say we want to know what is happening. Why have the bill not been passed? What is the problem? What is preventing this matter? What thing they make the bill, they not if they pass and waiting happen? Waiting happen. Why the man not if they talk? They invite and not come. Is he conniving with somebody? Is he conniving with somebody? He needs to tell us. And Ganduje need to sack and to let us know, say, any and another, there will not be pally for the matter. So that's why they happen now. You know, say one day breeze go blow, very strong wind, and the back of the side of the cock, everybody go see him. Now waiting they happen. So that day don't reach. We know say Ganduje, is it 2017 or 2018? Now we hear of the dollar bill. The guy now so he chased the guy when he exposed the matter. So they talk so the guy did UK. Go meet the UK government, seek asylum, say I expose corruption. Today my life dey in danger. Produce evidences. They don't give him asylum. He did UK now, him and his family, because his life was under threat in Nigeria. So what is going on? What is happening? These are some of the things that happen in Nigerian government and nobody says anything. As you and I can see, there is more to this than beneath the eyes. Yes, Ganduje and his family, they need to go to jail, investigated, and if guilty, they should go to jail. But it's not just them, that's the truth. There are so many Gandujes from the north to the south to the east to the west. So many. But guess what? Nigeria as it is, cover up. Please don't forget to give us a thumbs up. Now so they just they do. Now God will save us from this current predicament. Now only God Almighty will save us. This way they have for this country. If you know the genesis, fear of God will catch you. Those who they behind some of the happenings in this country will wonder, say, can the human be so wicked to his own person, to another person like this? Sadly, they happen. Sadly, it happen. It occur. It happen. Leave us a comment. God bless you. Have a lovely and a fantastic day. Bye for now. Bye.